Hello, this is Bo Kauffmann of Remax in Winnipeg with your real estate news for Sunday, March 26th, 2023. Today is Epilepsy Awareness Day, National Spinach Day, and National Nougat Day. Spinach doesn't deserve a day, but I digest. Springtime Sundays mean open houses. If you're planning to attend an open house in your city, remember that the agent there works for the seller. Try to keep your oohs and ahs to a minimum, as they may weaken your negotiating position if you do want to make an offer. Also remember that you do have the right to be represented by your own agent, even after visiting the open house. So here are 6 questions you should ask the open house agent. How long have the sellers lived there? You want to determine whether this is a flip house or a loved family home. How long has the home been on the market? If it has been up for a long time, have there been price adjustments? How much are the heating costs? Especially important in older homes which have originally been insulated with newspaper clippings. Has the seller done any renovations or additions? If so, have they pulled the necessary permits and obtained the follow-up inspections? Is the seller making any disclosures? Sellers must disclose hidden defects which could affect structural integrity or health issues. And has the seller had any offers? It's good to know if they've turned down offers or how much action there's been on the home. Now, don't let heavy foot traffic intimidate you into thinking that the house will sell today. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But springtime open houses see a lot of action, and much of it is tire kickers. If you're interested in the home, thank the agent and call your own realtor ASAP to book your private showing for a second, more in-depth look. And if you're interested in more in-depth real estate information, download our free podcast app available for iOS and Android devices by going to boknows.homes/apps. boknows.homes/apps. Till next time, bye-bye.